so gross up there.
I know. Look at my white shirt.
Was once clean.
It's only wrinkles.
Remember me trying to climb up that rock I kept fighting?
Tried to go.
Tried to go to work. Oh, up there!
I can make it up there. Okay, now I'm a little worried.
Yeah, that's not a good idea.
Should be worried. She's done worse than this. We thought she fell off a 3-story wall, but it was...
Yeah, how are you gonna get back down?
Yeah, you're at it. I'm telling your mom. Yeah, I'm just walking.
You know, I'm freaking out. Like, and she's in the skirt. It's dark up here.
Oh, good Lord. Okay. When you come down this time, you have to stay off the wall just like I'm dying here. Too much adult in me.
She likes climbing. You just stay up there, we'll leave you. It's a goodbye.
Oh God, no, it must be really high over there because she just jumped off.
And she lives.